as Rohini does every Sunday morning. I've met some amazing people here, and I feel so lucky that here is a place we have for 2 hours or so. Sometimes there are 20 people, sometimes there are 50 people from so many countries, sharing dialogues, conversation, laughing. Sometimes there are arguments of certain things, but it's very enriching. I have never had such an opportunity in any other country. I've lived in many countries, so truly, it's remarkable. Well, I came quite by chance, truly, for 5 days, 11 years ago, in January 2015. And I didn't know very much about Auroville. I had heard about it. I had read Sri Aurobindo's writings and tree, but I didn't have any experience of it. So I came here. I was on a lecture tour in India from Canada, and then just the last few days. So I came here. I was staying in Atithi Graha. I'm deeply, deeply touched by the architecture, by the ambience, by the beauty, by the creativity of people. And that has stayed with me. And then I said, I want to come here. So I came, and now for the last 8 years, I've been here, more or less permanently. And I feel blessed. Well, I find it's a very, very beautiful, creative place, human-wise and ecology-wise. I don't think I've met so many creative people in the community as I do here. Musicians, poets, writers, philosophers, thinkers, potters, weavers, incredible range of people. And that's remarkable. Okay, I've been part of big universities in Canada, USA, England. And they are, of course, very creative people in mathematics or physics or chemistry, but you don't see them all coming together. And here I see it all the time. So that has really been a great source of inspiration for me, and the creativity and availability of it. With no other place in the world we have Cinema Paradiso. A film being shown every day, no charge, free, and more than 100 countries of the world. This is remarkable, truly. And they're not just ordinary films, they are remarkable films on the whole. So this is something unique to be celebrated. And then to discover what is our spiritual impulse, what is that we are seeking, and to be inspired by the mother, by Sri Aurobindo. And here I have also shared with people Kabir, the great poet from 15th century, translated in many languages. So I feel this place renders that, makes it possible. And I hope it continues like that. Well, for me, it has given me a space that is pure, that is full of good ambience, good vibrations. It has given me friendships of many kinds, and has given me possibility of creating more, sharing more, and in a manner that I'm not trying to convert anybody to any religion or any politics. That wonderful freedom. And that I feel I celebrate it. And I have shared in my ways many lectures here, workshops here, translating Kabir in many languages and sharing it with other people. All that has been incredibly possible and something to celebrate. I'm truly, truly, truly grateful. Well, I feel there's been a little tension in the community. They feel as though certain things have been done which is not in accordance with the spirit of the place. And some people feel alienated, and that's not right. It's not to be run officially. This is not an official place. It's not an institution of the government. I feel, I'm saying it as much as I can. It is a community of people together creative. And the people have to say, this group will decide this and this group, but all from within the group. Many places in the world are trying to create a little Auroville in Brazil, in Italy, and they are meeting many challenges, many, many kinds of challenges. So I feel that what it has taught me in the last 5 years, we need to be careful that people who live here, they are the ones who should make the decisions and tell the place, and less official attitude. It's not a department of the government. That's how I feel. I think we need to meet more often, more people, small groups of dialogue, conversations, and creativity, laugh more, share more, sing more. Really, because as I said, I have never met so many creative people in any group of about 3,000 people, as I do here in Auroville. And we need to celebrate, make everybody feel that the fact that one has chosen to be here, whether you're Italian or Indian or Spanish or Canadian, this is it's a big choice. And many times people make sacrifices, many kinds of sacrifices. Young people say, I was earning 3 lakh of rupees a month outside. Now I really don't know how to survive here. So we need to think it out, how to give maybe fellowships, scholarships to people. I think that'll be very good. I have a proposal to invite students from other countries, universities, and be here for 3 to 4 months, one academic term, and they should pay their academic fees to us, and so we can use those resources to support our young people. They need support. I've been here now for almost 7 years, full time. I have a lovely place, in our remote guest house. I would say, be more clear in your own mind. What is it that beckons you? Because it's not an ordinary community. It's a spiritual community, yet very rooted in everyday life. What we eat, how we dress, how do we address each other, what our time is spent. I would say, young people, this is an extraordinary challenge, but be clear and reach out to more people. Really, this is an extraordinary opportunity to reach out to people from many, many, many places. As Rohini does every Sunday morning. I've met some amazing people here, and I feel so lucky that here is a place we have for 2 hours or so. Sometimes there are 20 people, sometimes there are 50 people from so many countries, sharing dialogues, conversation, laughing. Sometimes there are arguments of certain things, but that's very enriching. I have never had such an opportunity in any other country. I've lived in many countries, so truly it's remarkable. And I would like more people to have such opportunities. Get over your loneliness, your unconnectedness. Very important, really important.